everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick GoPro Hero 10 Black tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to update the firmware in your GoPro Hero 10 Black using the GoPro Quik app on your phone. It's really quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so again, we're going to show you how to update your GoPro Hero 10 Black firmware using the GoPro Quik app on your phone. If you don't have the GoPro Quik app already, you can download it for free from your app store. Now let's go ahead and open up that Quik app here. And once you're in here, if you haven't connected your GoPro to the Quik app before, at the bottom here, you'll see a few different options: Mural, Media, Studio, and GoPro. Just tap on GoPro there, and you should see the option that says Connect to GoPro. If you're not seeing that, you can tap on this little plus sign in the GoPro in the corner to add your GoPro. Now, from here, we do need to turn on our GoPro, so let's go ahead and turn that on. And we'll get our GoPro ready to be paired with our phone. So once your GoPro is on, just swipe down from the top and then swipe from right to left. And you should see the option here that says Connections. Go ahead and tap on Connections. And it should say Connect Device right there. You can tap on Connect Device and GoPro Quik app. So we're going to go ahead and tap on GoPro Quik app. And now we can go ahead and click on Connect a GoPro here, or the plus sign here in the corner. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to start searching for our GoPro camera. Now it says we found your GoPro. You can go ahead and click on Connect here. And it's going to start connecting. It says connection successful here on my GoPro and connected. And you can change the name here on your GoPro as well. I've already set mine up as Ken GoPro 10. So I'm going to hit leave as GoPro 10, but you can type in another name there if you like. And it's going to say, let's install your update. So it does say there is an update available. If you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and hit later and we'll manually show you how to find it. So let me go back out here. Now that your GoPro is connected, you can actually just go up to the three dots here in the corner and tap on that. And it should say new firmware available. If you have one available, you can just tap on update here. And it's going to say, let's install your update. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Leave your camera on and don't leave the Quik app until the update is complete. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. It says what the new update includes, some general bug fixes. We'll just go ahead and hit update camera. And it's going to start connecting to your camera via Wi-Fi. Your phone may ask for permissions to access your GoPro. There's the legal disclaimer. Just go ahead and read through that. Once you've done that, you can accept and continue. And it's going to start transferring the update to your camera. Be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. It's going to start installing the update. And it flashed update complete there. It's restarting. New video performance mode. Swipe down to access them in the dashboard. And it says update complete. Update is complete when you can see the live view from the camera on your screen. And you can see, perfect, I can see my screen there. It is all set. And I can hit got it here and I am all done. And it's really that simple to update your firmware on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So I hope this tutorial was able to give you value in updating the firmware on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.